Uh-huh. Welcome back. Welcome back. To my channel. Hey. Welcome back. We're doing edges today, you all. All right. We're gonna start with the Gorilla Snot. That's really what it's called. And it's super thick. It's like I don't know, it's just got like a really thick consistency, but it actually maneuvers very well. So anyway, that's what we're going to use today. And so I got this little blue edge brush from the beauty supply store. It was like 99 cents. So as you can see, I just start my little swoop process. If you want me to do a tutorial on my swoop process, I would be glad to do it. Because it's really quite simple. The technique is quite simple. But anyway, we just going to start with the swoop down. It's got a brush on one side and a comb on the other. And so I like to use a combination of both. After you get one done, just go to the next. And then you get that little wave process, like spread, like that. Pay no attention to my little sister. She's disobedient. I'm about to choke her out. Anyway, and so I'm just going to keep that swoop like that. Keep it going. I got a little widow's peak, so I got to do that too. Get you a little bit more of the glue. It literally only takes a little bit. As you can see, it's like super sticky. But if your edges are disobedient like mine, then that's just what you got to use. You got to be strict on your children. Spare the rod and you shall spoil the child. So we're just gonna do the same thing on the right side that we did on the left side and go about our day. All right, yeah, just get a little swoop process. I already was tired and I was like, I'm finna wear a poof tomorrow, so that's what I did. Just put my hair in a little poof, and we're gonna do our edges. I also have sideburns. They used to make fun of me and call me Elvis Presley when I was in school, so I gotta slick those down too. But anyway, yeah, so now we're all done, I guess. So you know what I have to do again for my edges, since they like to cause problems and get out when they can. I gotta tie my stuff down. I can't just be out here with them just out. So I'm gonna tie it down and go to sleep. All right, so this is the next morning and we take our tie down off and we are wavy. Oh my god, we are wavy. I was wavy. We are wavy, and that's how it's supposed to be. And now I'm just taking just a little bit of edge cream where my tie probably got loosed in the middle of the night and just tightening up that side. For the tie down, I literally took an old pair of I took an old pair of tights. The consistency works really good on your edges. So I took an old pair of tights and I just made a little tie down. So like I said, I'm just tightening up. Y'all, please like and subscribe. That's it for today. That's the end of the tutorial. And I'll see y'all next time. Miss Ferg signing out.